Singh and welcome back to my channel, and today it's review time and I am going to review the launch of the new Nykaa lip pencils, and they are called Nykaa Lips Don't Lie. So before I move on to this, firstly I just want to ask you, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Thank you for all 25,000 subscribers so far, and my community is growing. I feel so humbled by your love. Thank you for all your kind words. And without wasting time, I am going to move on to showing you all the colors and telling you exactly how I feel. Honestly, when I received the package, I have only kind of swatched it on my hand and I felt that it was really creamy and nice. However, I thought that let me do a full YouTube video showing off all the colors. I feel lip pencils are so important to great lipstick application. The shade that you use with your lipstick can really change the way your lipstick looks. If you line them, your lipstick also stays better in place, and of course you can always enhance it and make that part look so much nicer, right? And this is just to tell you that this is not a sponsored review. Yes, Nykaa sends me all their new launches and I just want to thank them for it. However, I'm going to be very honest with my review about it, because so far I've only used it on my hands and not on my lips, and I'm going to exactly tell you how I feel about it. So far I have been using lip pencils from brands like Colorbar, Chambord, a few MAC pencils, a few NYX pencils. However, Colorbar and even Maybelline, I use a couple of colors from Maybelline. For me, it's also not only the texture but the right shade of lip pencils. I'm also going to tell you if I like the texture and what colors are must buys. I don't know if Nykaa sells them individually or do they all come together. I have no idea about it, but I'm going to do that research and I'm going to put it on the description box later. So this is how the box came to me. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10th pencil is in the box. This is the actual packaging, I think, if you buy it. And they've also sent a sharpener, right? And the pencil is a regular size pencil. It's not one of those longer ones, which is alright, right? So it says Nykaa Lips Don't Lie, Line and Fill Lip Liner. Alright, so I'm going to start with the nude colors, and I'm exactly going to tell you how I feel about it. So I'm first going to pick up a nude pencil that I would always want to pick. Right, so the color that I've just picked up first is a color called Pillow Fight. Right, and this pencil I'm going to use on my lip, and I'm going to swatch the others on my arm for you. The last time I did a lip video and I swatched 16 colors on my lips, I could not even eat for like 3 days. My lips were so sore, removing everything continuously. So this is the kind of nude pink color that I always reach out for, particularly because I consider myself to be a typical middle fair, like whatever, fair Indian skin tone, and I feel that your lip liner should always be a tone or two darker than your skin for your lipstick to stand out. Right? I always start at my cupid's bow. I have a tiny little pimple right on my lip line. So it's going to look like a patch, but it's just a pimple that's coming out. Oh my god, this glides like a dream. Absolutely love it. Look at that, effortless, just one stroke. I think the Nykaa lip liners are going to be my next favorite. So in fact, on a closer look after I've applied it, this is peachy pink, which is just great because I find a lot of pink nude colors in the market, but what I don't ever find easily is something that has a peach undertone to it. Look at that. It's just effortlessly gone all over my lip. this just makes me want to swatch a few colors on my lips. Should I do that? I think I'll just swatch one more. Rest I'll do on my arms. So this color that I've just used is called Pillow Fight. And I'm just going to remove this and I'm going to swatch another color for you. So the next color that I am swatching is called Dirty Secret. This is another medium pink nude. Pink lip liner. It's not super nude also, I mean, because it has a little bit of color. Again, the color is called Dirty Secret and I'm just gonna swatch it right here. So this is Pillow Fight, the first color that we swatched, and this is the second color. It's called Dirty Secret. I've swatched them together so that you can see the difference in both of them. So Dirty Secret is more pink and Pillow Fight is more peach. Gonna move on to the skin nude colors. Oh, there's one more pretty pink and I'm just gonna swatch it right here for you. This one is called Barbie Doll, and so this is a lot more brighter. It's, as the name suggests, it's very pretty Barbie pink. So on top is Barbie pink now. The next two colors that I'm going to swatch for you are skin nude colors, and one is darker nude and one is lighter. The darker nude is called Chocolate Boy. So let me just swatch it for you and then I'm going to show it off to you. So this Chocolate Boy color would be apt for somebody who's even darker skin tone. In fact, on very fair and medium, it might appear a bit too dark, but this would be so beautiful on women who are deeper skin tone. Will kind of really give you a beautiful nude lip liner. The next color that I am swatching is called Birthday Suit, and this would be apt for all fair skin tone people. In fact, this might not show at all on women who are a lot more darker. Moving on to the next color, which is a beautiful plum pink. It's a color called Heartbreaker. I mean, if somebody is very, very fair skin toned, this would look almost like a deep burgundy on you also. But for somebody who is deeper skin toned, it would be a beautiful color for you to apply. And I quite like it because I think plum pink is another color which does not have too many options in the market. The next color which I'm doing is, the pencil looks absolutely hot pink. It's called Rocker Chick, and this is like a beautiful neon pink right there in front of you. Rocker Chick. And now I'm going to move on to the reds. The color that I am, actually the pencil looks more like a deep pink. The name is Sweetheart Pink. Yes, it's more like a reddish pink. And that is what Sweetheart Pink looks like. And you can absolutely compare it to the hot pink pencil that I had swatched before this. The hot pink pencil is called Rocker Chick, and the one that I just swatched is called Sweetheart Pink. Will I recommend the hot pink to bright skin also? Yes, but I do recommend this deeper pink more for darker skin tone, which is called Sweetheart Pink. However, women who are fair skin, if you're looking to apply a pinkish red lipstick, this would be a beautiful color to apply with it. Moving on to the last two pencils. This is more like a orangey red. instantly reminds me of a matte lipstick called Lady Danger. Like, look at that, absolutely bright, in your face, orange red, quite nice. I like the way it looks, and of course the price point is absolutely brilliant. So the orangey red lip liner is called Head Over Heels, right? And coming to the last pencil, it's called Lover Boy. It's a true red. It's like a red lip liner with a blue undertone. However, my only thing is that sometimes will I really recommend the bright orange and the bright red? Like, sometimes what I usually do is to make a bright lipstick work better on a darker skin tone particularly. I line the lip with a slightly darker lip liner and then fill in the brighter red or the hot pink. So I don't know, I mean, I feel that way. The plum pencil, which is called Heartbreaker, would work well. Though I don't know if this is, I think this is the entire color range. Let me look into their app right now in front of you. No, they don't have a darker color. These are all the colors they have. And though this color right here, Heartbreaker, is pretty deep, though I still feel that I wish they had a burgundy or a maroon actually, to be honest. However, nevertheless, still love the texture of the lip pencils. I think they're absolutely brilliant. Kudos to Nykaa again for bringing out fabulous products as always. I'm going to be reviewing a lot more of the products in the coming week now that my studio is ready to shoot. So thank you everyone for watching. Do let me know if this review was helpful to you. And I'm just going to show you the swatches once again very closely. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. So coming back to my favorite colors, definitely I think they've really nailed the nudes really well. I also love the bright pink and I also love the deep pink. However, I do wish that the brighter colors here had a slight deeper tone to it. However, nevertheless love them, but yes, the nudes remain my top favorite in this. Thank you everyone for watching. Take care.